Hey guys, please be careful. This video is very important for those people who are working in a textile industry, especially in a printing section. You are seeing this machine is a all over printing machine, and this machine we are using for printing any all over print on textile fabric. But after some times later we have to clean this printing blanket. This video is very special because I want to share you a story that is from a long time, around 6 to 10 years we are using kerosene and thinner for washing this printing blanket. But now we have to learn that this kerosene and thinner is not more suitable for washing this printing blanket, and as well as this thinner and kerosene may harm this blanket. So what is the more suitable solvent for washing or for cleaning this printing blanket? Hey friend, that is ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate chemical formula is CH3COOCH3. Ethyl acetate, you may know ethyl acetate is very good solvent than kerosene and thinner. And after learning about this ethyl acetate, we are firstly applying this ethyl acetate for cleaning our printing blanket, and we noticed that its performance is amazing. We need very less time for cleaning printing blanket and need less amount of ethyl acetate comparatively kerosene and thinner. If I want to explain this as a broad sense, before when we use kerosene and thinner for washing our printing blanket, we used to need around 100 liter kerosene and 120 liter thinner for proper cleaning our printing blanket. But when we are using this ethyl acetate for cleaning our printing blanket, we only needed 60 to 80 liter ethyl acetate for cleaning our printing blanket properly. If I tell about the needed time, that is we used to need around 24 hours for washing this printing blanket when we are using kerosene and thinner. But at present we need only 8 hours for using ethyl acetate, and for using this ethyl acetate we could save our time and our money. You have to remember that you should not wet a whole blanket with ethyl acetate. You have to wet a little bit of printing blanket with ethyl acetate, and for this you may use a pieces of fabric, and you may wet this fabric with ethyl acetate and continuously clean this blanket using 3 to 4 person so that they can clean this printing blanket easily. I think this video will be more helpful for you, and you already learned a lot of things from this video. Thank you so much. Stay happy, stay cool, and be safe. Bye.